Hello magicians, hope you're doing well. So guys, today's topic is what is law of attraction and how to use it in our daily lives. But before we begin, let me introduce myself. I'm Amrita Engineer. I'm life and manifestation coach, welcoming you all to my channel, Awaken the Magic Within You. And if you like today's video guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon, because once you do that, every time I upload the video, you will be able to watch it. So yes, what is law of attraction? If you ask me, it's pure world of magic. When you start thinking about something positive in your life and you start attracting that miraculously, law of attraction start getting applied without you even realizing it. Have you ever noticed that when you think about a particular person and that person calls you out of nowhere, or if you're craving for a particular dish and when you go home, you realize that same dish is prepared just the way you wanted. But of course, you're going to say that Amrita, such things happen once in a while. But what if guys, you start, experiencing such things on a daily basis in your life? What if you start mastering this law of attraction where you think about something and that thing happens in your life? Yes, we are going to understand how to master the law of attraction. But in order to understand that, we first have to understand the basic universal laws of nature. So the first law says, everything in the world is energy. So yes, we have always studied this during physics, in our school days, that E is equal to mc square. Anything, when we keep something under the microscope, we have seen that everything has millions of molecules, and at the core of that thing there is energy. So guys, you are energy, I am energy, our thoughts have energies, our goals have energies. We all are connected at energy and we all are same at energy. If I have to think about a person, then I don't have to be in front of that person, I just have to think and we get connected to that person at the energy level. Now, in order to understand that how this particular thing is related to law of attraction, let's look at the next law. Energy has its own unique frequency. If we look at the particular, anything, and if you put that in microscope, then what we will realize that there are millions of atoms, as I said earlier, and at the core there is energy, and that energy is vibrating at particular frequency, and that's the reason that thing looks like it the way it is. The moment we change its frequency, it's gonna look different. Have you ever noticed one thing guys? After meeting certain people, you feel very irritable. You start picking up fights with people at home and you just don't realize what's happening with you. Whereas after meeting certain other people, you start feeling free, you start feeling happy, you get inspired, motivated. So why such things happen? People who make you feel irritable, they are vibrating at their own energy. They suck out that happiness out of you. Your frequency reduces and you start feeling irritable or angry for no reason. Whereas when you meet happy people, these people transfer their happy energies to you. Your own frequency gets upgraded and you start feeling motivated and happy about everything around you. So similarly, poor people have their own frequency. Rich people have their own frequency. Successful people are vibrating at their own frequency. And the struggling people also are vibrating at their own unique frequency. Now my question to you is, can we transform a struggling person into a successful person? Yes, the answer is yes, very much. But how do we do that? By giving them tons of money, by giving them free gym membership if they are struggling in health, by offering them dream job if they are stuck in their career, or if they are stuck in their relationship, then getting them married to their dream partner? No. We can transform a struggling person into a successful person only and only by upgrading their frequencies. Because if we don't do that, and if we give a person who is struggling in money area tons of money, then he will end up losing that money in few months, and again he will go back to the struggling days of his life. So guys, now understand one thing, this particular law is most important law for us. Because once you understand how things are working, why things are working in a particular way in your life right now, when you are listening to me, you will understand that the things are happening not because of some external reasons, but because you are vibrating at wrong frequency. You are vibrating at a frequency which is not exactly equivalent to the success frequency. The moment you upgrade that frequency, things will be easier for you. So in our channel as well, our focus will be not just to remove the problems, but to change the mindset so that our frequency, our internal frequency gets upgraded. Once that happens, everything gonna be easier, everything gonna be magic. Trust me on that. Now let's look at the next law. Energy can't be created, it can't be destroyed. It can only get transformed from one form to other form. For example, let's look at any pen made up of plastic. When we put that pen in fire, what will happen? This plastic pen will start getting melted and it will start turning into liquid, and some part of that pen will also start getting evaporated. So what has happened here? Have I created that energy? No, the pen already had the energy. Did I destroy it by putting it in the fire? No. I simply put that pen in the fire. Because of that, the frequency at which the pen was vibrating got changed. As a result, it changes form from solid to liquid and gas. Now, if you are wondering that how this particular example of pen is related to your life, then understand one thing. If you are struggling in your life today and you are giving the excuse that, I'm not having right people in my life, I'm not having enough opportunities, I'm having too many problems, then understand one thing. All these things are happening simply because your frequency is struggling frequency. The moment you upgrade your frequencies, you will start realizing there are abundance of opportunities in front of you. There are problems, but each problem has come with the solution. Let's take example of money here. You are saying that you do not have money because of these reasons. You might be having many reasons, but the moment you upgrade your money frequency, then immediately you will start coming across the opportunities where you will be able to impart your knowledge, you will be able to give more value to people, and in return you will start getting money, and so that your money frequency even gets upgraded. So what has happened here? Did you create the money? No, money was always there around you. Did you destroy the money when money was not there in your life? No. If you did not have money, others definitely had money. So you neither created money nor destroyed money. You simply change the frequency. You simply transform that energy from one person to other person. I hope things are getting clear to you now why things are happening in particular way, the way they are happening. Now next law is very simple to understand if you have understood the first three laws. When frequency matches, attraction happens. Now to understand this, let's look at the calling a particular person. When you're dialing your mom, you will obviously get connected to your mom. You can't get connected to your father, because understand one thing, when you're calling your mother, you're not calling that number. You're calling her frequency, and that's the reason you get connected to that person. Similarly, when you upgrade your frequency becomes a successful frequency, and you immediately start attracting the same people. So again, let's take example of a person stuck with money in business. If he is not able to find the right people, because he is saying I'm not able to earn money because I'm meeting all the people who are meeting me but not giving me business, who are just I'm just wasting my time and energy behind him. But the moment he raises his frequency, he start meeting people who are successful enough, who give them money, who give him business, and he starts getting improved day by day. So guys, I hope you have understood these 4 universal laws. I want you to again go back, understand it. Till the time you don't clear all your doubts, please keep listening to it, because these laws are foundation. Once you understand it, once you understand the logic behind it, everything in future videos will be easy for you. Then it will be easier for you to even implement it in your real life. If you have any problem, please ask questions in comment section, or you can even email me to lifecoachamrita@gmail.com. But please ask for help, ask for questions, ask information, ask for questions, write questions, and I'll be more than happy to answer you. So guys, that's it from my side. Stay tuned and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.